And welcome back to another installment of Steve's Auto Care. Thumbs up for everybody. Today we're working on a hybrid. This is a Sonata. I'm trying to not show the license plate. So it's a Hyundai Sonata. Okay. We're doing a 30K. This is a fairly new car. 2016. It's got 31,000 miles on it. We're doing a 30K service. And one of the things that I wanted to point out that I felt was interesting, put that camera in. Oh, that's a good shot. Is this component here? This is on the 2-liter Hyundai Sonata. I don't know when they started doing this, but it is the hybrid. But this is what they use to start the engine. Unlike the Prius, the Toyota system, which uses 2 motor generators inside the transaxle. The first motor generator is what is used to start the engine. But on the Hyundai, they use what is called the hybrid starter generator, and they use a special belt, and you can see where it says auto start. The belt is, going from the starter generator down to the crankshaft of the motor, and that's how the engine starts on this. And Hyundai, it's hit and miss on when you change this belt. Hyundai wants to say, on this car, they say change it at 30,000 miles, but this looks like a brand new belt, as you can see. The ribs look good. Let's see if we can get there we go. The ribs look good on it. You can still read the label on it. There's no wear, there's no grooves. But I do understand that since they're using the belt to crank that engine over, there's got to be a lot of tension. And let's talk about the tension. Get my finger down. Here is one tensioner, okay? And you can see that giant spring, and there is, and you cannot see it. See if I can get the light over there. Yeah, there's the other tensioner, and so they use 2 tensioners to tighten this belt up. So the procedure, get my light back in the right spot. It's hard to see, but the procedure is you grab onto that what looks like a 12-point nut, and you rotate the arm. You're going to rotate it like that, and you see this hole here, there's another hole here. You don't have to go very far, but you got to line up that holes and lock it in place with a pin. Then you go to that other tensioner. Get the light. I'm inside the garage today because it's raining outside, so we don't have much light. So you go down, see if we can see it. Almost. There it is. You see there's another, what looks like a 12-point bolt down there, and you pull up on that belt. Now this one doesn't have a way to lock it, so you have to hold this against that spring, hold that tensioner up while you take and service the belt. But I'm letting this go because I don't see any wear and tear on this belt. But I'm going to inform my client to let's check it again at 45,000. So 15,000 miles. We're going to keep a very close eye on that belt. It's the first time I've ever seen where they use an electric motor belt driven to the crank to start the engine up. Once the engine gets started up, this turns into a generator that powers the accessories, not the hybrid system. Okay? That does not provide power to the hybrid system. This is just a generator that powers up the accessories, like your lights and maybe the like your interior stuff, lights, blower motor, heater, that kind of stuff. The propulsion is still driven by the high voltage battery, which is way back there. So thought I'd share that with you. And so this is a 2016 Hyundai Sonata, and thanks for watching. Bye.